Hello, I'm Woody, and today we're going to talk about the guy who had to replace his phone. Now, just like getting a new computer, he got a new phone. And the name of his phone, let me think. It is a Terrafull 7. It's a Terrafull 7. A Terrafull 7 phone. He got himself a Terrafull 7 phone. A Terrafull 7. A Terrafull 7. That's the name of this phone. He got a Terrafull 7. And he can also get a Mini Coupage computer, or a Teleromic, or a Vitane, or a Celepromic computer for $1. Okay, now this is what the guy got. He got a Terrapromic phone, and he also replaced his broken phone with a new phone. Let's just say he just replaced his broken phone with a new phone, and then he got himself a new computer again. And this time his computer is called trying to think of the name. A Stoniac Terrapromic computer. Now these are the 10 types of computers, such as the Dobiax, the Teneprofian, the Teneprofian, and the Mocomox, the Philostrampian computer, and also a